What happens when a president cancels official events due to an emergency? One might wonder. Well, this is not a hypothetical question. Just yesterday, President Emerson Mnangagwa found himself in such a situation, forced to cancel 2 official events due to an unspecified emergency. The first of these events was the swearing-in of newly appointed deputy ministers, Musa Nakub and Headman Moyo. The ceremony, which was set to take place at State House, was abruptly put on hold. The second event was a groundbreaking ceremony for West Prop's Hills Golf Estate in Harare, which the president was also scheduled to officiate. While the state event was postponed, the private event carried on. West Prop's chief executive, Ken Sharp, took the opportunity to announce that the company had officially begun developing its $300 million Hills luxury golf estate. This ambitious project goes far beyond just a golf course. It includes the construction of villas, apartments, townhouses, a country club, a hotel, a tennis and swimming academy, and even a shopping mall. The golf course, which will be modeled after an 18-hole championship course used in PGA Tour events, is set to transform the former Warren Hills Golf Club into a mixed live, work, shop, and play luxury lifestyle estate. This project is not just about luxury living, though. It is also a significant contribution to the government's urban renewal initiatives, with a value creation of over $300 million. The Hills Luxury Golf Estate is the latest addition to West Prop's portfolio of ongoing and completed projects. These include Millennium Heights, Pokugara Residential Estate, Pomona City, the Mall of Zimbabwe, and Millennium Heights Office Park. In conclusion, while the president's sudden cancellation may have caused a stir, it has not halted progress. The groundbreaking ceremony for the Hills Luxury Golf Estate carried on, signifying the start of a project set to transform Zimbabwe's international image.